because angeke ihlale ingasenayo ownership. That's why uve kuthiwa ekhaya kunetilwane tiyagijima tiyadla tishaye abantu thola ukuthi bekuyinto ebesibenefitisa kahle ekhaya, but now seyibuya seyasilimalisa because ayisacontroleki i-owner ayisekho. Umuntu mfathi mangaphanya ayongcwatshwa nithi nyabheka kunama floods afuna ukukhipha ibhokisi liphumele ngaphandle. So tinkunzi malanga siyadi thina ukuthi tinfota ingathi tiya reporta nyalo ukuthi tiyambona sekuyahlukana umkhathi yena ungena phasi komhlabathi nyalo inyama yakhe lebona abafakwe kuyona ukuthi connect nomoya wakhe, because le tinfo tingena enyameni nithi mathi ingena enyameni bese khona connect nani ne spirit sakho, because awuyifaki kwi-spirit uyifaka kuphi enyameni bese connecta kuphi ne-spirit sakho. The only things oyithola spiritual itinfo leti otiphupha utiboniswe utithola uhamba like phasi kwamantu uthola something lonto uyayithola spiritual, but lo uyithola from a man hand, so ingene ngathini bese connecta ne-spirit sakho. Then i-spirit mase sihlukana nenyama yakhe, inyama yakho seyingena phasi komhlabathi sekumele sisuke ku uthi uyabona maybe ibhokisi lomuntu uyavula kale yaphahlazeka lishaya phasi lapha.
Alright, greetings and salutation. Welcome to Podcast Lab. We are back again with another episode. Make sure you listen to us on Spotify. The link is provided on the description. And make sure you have a story and you want to share the story. Do the right thing. Send a VN on the number on the description. Tell us about your story, and you and I will be sitting here having a chat about your story. I will never ever be alone on the show. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, give it up for the one and only Dr. King Mavula Jericho Tokotela. Good to have you again.
Siyajabula siyabonga Nkosi.
Yes, yazi last time must be in a conversation kube mnandi in a way yokuthi we don't finish what we started. So today the aim is to finish what we started, you know. So let's start with the bit we sikhuluma ngayo ingududu ne.
Yes, ingududu.
Yes.
Ngenze
research ne. It's a stock. Maybe so it's a stock.
Yes.
Yeah, when I kule majarini stock. I was just being ngathi like, "Hi, guys, how coming up a stock?" Because sithenga every now and again, and I don't even think no, it's like it's a brand they just created out of creativity. Kanti ile yanyoni le ya.
Yeah.
Bengazi ukuthi exista.
That is a very powerful bit. Inemandla.
Inamandla ne.
Inemandla kakhulu.
Yini enye yenzako like amandla wabaphethe except le yokuthi once isibalala ngingena emanzini izulu liya.
Inemandla yokuthi khona ukuconnecta nemimoya endikulula ukuthi connect nemvelo. Uyabona uma uyithatha lenyoni le uyifaka entweni tokuphila. Like uyifaka entweni yokubhula or uyifaka entweni yokudosa. Ilanza lawa amandla wenkani lawa ya. Ukuthi mina ngiyadlova lo ngufunako ngufuna nginkani endingidokuthola. Abanye ke bayisebenzisela ukulapha, abanye bayisebenzisela ukuthakatha, because inyoni lothi mawuyitshela ilalele and ayilahli ipower yayo yenkani nokuthi ifunde lento esuke ifuna ngaso sikhathi ithola. Igude kuhlanganiseni imithi even kuthiwa iyakha dinfotayo like ididleketayo isebenzisa very very powerful imithi iqisha ifane nothekwane mangapha nje sikhuluma ngokwakha nokuhlanganisa imithi. It's a very very powerful bit. So uma siyithatha lenyoni le siyifaka lapha emajajini senta sure ukuthi ijaji elingapheli lelo ayivuselelwa leyo muntu into permanent uyifaka ngalesikhathi uyifaka ngaso thili uyofa uyifakile. That time lenyoni indiza on the sky sinthi singayibulali lokhu yanza itala ithola nabantwana nakuwe lento iyanza futhi engatini iyakhuphuka kakhulu amandla ukuthi uprofit uyabona. Iyafa le efaka but still ingadi yayo iyaphila kulabo abantwana abaye basuke bekhona, because phela kunento ekuthiwa I think hibernation whereby ukuthola abantwana nani mapunda mokutholakala abantwana damo lento isaphile engadini because asibulale siyithethela iphile nale mithi esuka ifakwe kuyona nale tinto esituke sidlise etona lapha siyithethela iphile nakho ihambe yolala nenye kuphuma abantwana nakho ikuyinto echubekayo. That's why mangaphani ufake ijaji lezulu ulifaka thina uyoshona lokhu liphila nje egazini lakho. Ayi expire lento. Iyaphila nje forever till uye uyoshona wena.
Mara normally itholakala kuphi because angizange ngibone ngamehlo wenyama leya.
Normally kuma places wasemakhaya uyayithola. If uyithola kuma places wasemakhaya khona ama beds like pet farm uyakhona ukuyithenga uyithole khona futhi. But engathi mawuyithole khona ungathi ukuyihlalisa kancane ithole tinsila ithuka kuba strong. Uyabona so that ito khona ukuthi yende lo msebenzi ngalendlela kumele ngabe yenta ngawo, because the more ikhala uyabona damo nawe lenifu yakhe iphambe engatini iphakama uva umoya ukuluma enkonzweni ingakafiki nesikhathi ukuthi uprofeti uzukhala inkosi yamakhosi inkosi yezizwe inkosi yaphakathi uJudge lezulu uyabona isiyaqala lenifu iyakuhle yasho ukuthi mina ngikhona asiyobathinta ubabeke uyabona Solomon esikhona so isebenta kanjalo lenyoni and it's very very special.
And by that time mawenza kanjalo thina sithi oh Father Jesus hallelujah kanti there's no Father hallelujah here.
Yabona abo Father Jesus nabo hallelujah. Mina I will say one thing. Umuntu othena uprofessor ngoJesu nimathi mina uNkulunkulu unginika ama-answers ukuthi ngibone into zabantu hayi angavela kimi. Avele nje athi hayi mina uNkulunkulu unginike itatini zabantu. Yabona kunabafundisi abahamba bayifaka lento le. Babhula abafundisi bakhipha ama dates bakhipha amagama bakhiphe netibongo. Abafundisi bayikhiphe yonke lento le. Kunezinyanga kunama prophet adila ngayo lento le ayifake engadini yawo. Iba prophetele ibakhiphele ama details wonkana lawo esuke iwafuna ngaleso sikhathi leyo. That's why kuthiwa iJudge lezulu because yakhiwe yabese yaphakamiswa ngayo le yanyoni of which iya relate nezulu iyakhona ukuthi I relate like ne nature more but izulu kakhulu irelate nalo kakhulu. Ukuduma kwalo ukwehla kwalo yona nje iya relate kakhulu nayo. Nasengatini yakho ke the more ukukhuphuka imimoya the more now uba more strong and powerful. Awulokhu trayisa ufunisela uyamtshela nje umuntu lento yasuke ifuna ngaleso sikhathi inzaba uyicoca exactly as it is. That's why leli judge libethelwa ngayo le yanyoni leya bese liyahamba liyovuswa litholelwe umnikati. Masikhuluma ngomnikati sikhuluma ngomuntu yayiva inzaba. Sikhuluma ngomuntu noma ngesilwane esithathwayo bese uyiso osifaka amandla wakhona ukuthi silide wona lo yamoya loya ukuthi uphumelele. And isingakhohlwa kunemoya evuswayo kunemoya ephakamiswayo.
Umehluko kuphi between the two?
Like for instance iJudge lamandla. iJudge lamandla sikhuluma ngokuhamba uyothwebula imoya yasemfuleni. Imoya yasemfuleni angeke ukuthi uyayivusa but le moya uyayiphakamisa. Because if uthi uyayivusa asho ukuthi yena uvusile amandla wenkanyamba angasikhombisa inkanyamba athi nansi. Lapho siyaphakamisa uma siphakamisa ngamandla wakho nemfuleni netilwane takho netiphila khona lamandla wakho lapha siphakamise leyo mimoya ngakho yayiva lenzaba ukuthi le yami imoya uma ngaphane ijabule nawe uyajabula le yami imoya mangaphane ikhula netinfo leti kuwe ngatini tiyakhula yayiva lenzaba. Then okubalekile ukuthi bese uyakuhlambulula ukuthi ungaqini nawe somuntu olokhu uphuphuse emantini uphupha letinyoka takhona lapha kanti le yanfo le owayilanza it's because ayibangisa njululwa ngenyongo maybe inyongo yimbuti yabona ukuthi bese iyahlaliseka kahle ku ikhulume letini zabo tifunako ikhiphe lama location wafuna ikhiphe lamagama netibongo la usuku kwafuna ngaleso sikhathi.
Kanti lapha emanzini kunemimoya vele imimoya yani yama snake or imimoya yabantu.
Yabona amanti are very very powerful. Nabanikati bakhona futhi ba very very powerful. Kunomuntu ophupha esemantini abone everything ngaphasi kwamanti. But yena usendlini olela. But ispirit sakhe noma umoya wakhe wona usemantini uyofundiswa ngasamething emantini. Uthola ukuthi umuntu aphuphe ngaphasi kwamanti ehleli namakhehla bemcocela tinzaba uyayiva lento le. Kube khona tinfo labambonisa tona. Uthola ukuthi ipower yakhe invested khona lapha yakula wamanti lawaya. Kunabantu basekhaya noma esiphiweni sakhe ababephila ngawo lawa manti lawaya. Kunekhwama zasekhaya ekumele umuntu ayoyilanza khona lapha. That's when iJudge lingenelela khona. iJudge lamandla lithi maselichamunga ulivusa ngayo le yamoya uthola ukuthi umuntu bekavele iphupha amajazi phasi kwamanti but ngathi uyaprofeta ayivele nzaba aphuphe esenkonzweni but lesi siguqo ngathi sibanjelwe ngaphasi kwamanti ngathi ukhuluma tinzaba tebantu liyangena iJudge lamandla lapho nila ifunakala khona lento shuthi lento iphila kuwe into efunakala ukuthi uyikhuphule uyiphakamise. Abanye abantu baye baphuphe besemantini but begcaba phakathi emantini avuka umuntu enamamaka wama raise engathi becabiwe yabona. Kanti yiyo lento le imfihlo yasekhaya eyayiphila khona. Same nalo iJudge lentaba. Because mase sikhuluma ngeJudge lentaba sesikhuluma ngomgede more especially mina ngithanda imgede. Because emgedeni ngena okuhle kungena okubi.
Umgede yini konje?
It's a cave.
Oh, it's a cave.
Bayahamba abantu bayocela kwi-cave. Beya ngomoya omuhle. Bahamba abantu bayovusa kwi-cave. Beya ngomoya omuhle. Kube khona futhi abaya emgedeni ngemimoya emibi. Do not forget ukuthi iplace neplace inomnikati wayo. Nasemgedeni bakhona abafana abafushana abanikati bemgede. Bekuyiba baphatha impendulo. Kwaphela uma uyocela emgedeni akuvele kuphenduleli wamgodi loya. kuphendula ipower vested emgedeni uyabona leya power kuyiyo essential uma ngaphana usuvusa lapha ijudge lentaba uthi madoda amafushane madoda amakhulu madoda angabonwa ngamehlo nini esinishayile ifiwe bese nyasiva kusilebo gangana nankunzane nayi imoya yethu lapha siyiphethe vukani inhlangane nganye nayo nihambe nini abantwana bedlodi bawubhula bakhiwe amagama nentibonge bakhiphe inombolo yabona isebenta kanjalo le mfule yilo ke ijudge lentaba lelo liba ijudge elivested kanjalo then another thing ngaphatha amajaji awagcini kuphela ngokuthi ahlolisa abantu
Inza
akhona amajaji akhona ukuthi aprotecte umuntu against impi asuke yilwa ngaleso sikhathi kunabantu today mfowethu abakhomba abantu abayigebengu uthola ukuthi amaphoyisa abafuna ngabathula athi kuthiwe lo muntu beka lapha kuleyanza abathi bafika akasekho usevile lento eseyimtshelile ukuthi hey labantu basendleleni bayachamuka suka nivotha lapha baleka yabona amanye amajaji awagcini ngokuthi abonise inombolo netindzaba kuphela yayiva lenzaba kukhona amajaji athathwako afakwe emabhandini for abantu abagangako yes
abagangako as like ukubamba inkunzi
yes okay because you cannot judge hustle yomuntu athi umuntu mina ngiyaganga ngiphila ngokuganga yini lengangivikela uthi no nawo amajaji thatha lento uyifake la ku umuntu mangaphane etokwenta lokho wrong itokuluma lento uvu ukuthi nonyalo angisuke angibaleke la because lento iya serve as a protection
sure
and imoya yokubhula ayiphelele emajajini nenkosi yamajaji kuphela because angithi inkosi yamajaji sihlanganisa lona ijaji lezulu ijaji lamandla nejaji lentaba kuphuma inkosi yamajaji sihlambulule ngembuti bese kuba into ekuthiwa inkosi yamajaji ephethe wonke lamajaji engena kumuntu it's more powerful ke yona kubihlanganisa lamajaji kumathathu kunento ekuthiwa isalamusi
yes okay
kunento ekuthiwa isalamusi ekhonayo ukuthi ibhule ikhona futhi ukuthi kulandzele imali nayo yes
okay
kunomoya wamasalamusi ohamba ko uyovuswa lo moya uma ngaphana uyovuswa lo moya walesalamusi lelisolwana esikhona uyahamba uyowuvusa bese uyawuthatha uyawufaka kumuntu ukuthi umuntu lento asuke yenta ngaleso sikhathi ayente ibe impumelelo angithi umuntu mhlambe unamateksi but emateksini kuyaliba kuyadujulwana but wena unesalamusi bathi sebekuplanela ngaleso sonke isikhathi bethi hayi asiyomshaya nawo undlule nje phakathi kwabo uhamba uyophuma ngale behleli bona but bebeplanile bethi balinze wena yes ungangena endlini bekuhleba bangafikelwa ukuthi bakubuke wena bachubeke bakhulume ngawe ukhona bekubona but balutheke bakhulume ngawe ukhona
powerful games le
yes it's very very powerful because yona iyathathwa bese iyalinkwa nayo selama uzakuthatha bese uyalink but uma ulink asithi ngilinka kimi njengomuntu ohlola abantu mangilinka kimi ngilinka nedloti lami uma wena uyaganga siyahamba siye esigangeni or siye kule place siya kuyo siyolithatha siyolivusela khona ukuthi leya imoya leya ayikugade kule nfo le osukuyenta ngaleso sikhathi uyaqabanga umuntu akunika amaphepha welothatha imali uwathatha afake ephakethini athi nje ngicela unginike 10,000 mina ngikunika naye le mali le because angathi ngidwenta njani ulutheke na umnika akunika amaphepha welotho wena ubona imali umuntu akunika amaphepha athi hamba uyafaka ebank awujika abe imali after 15 minutes uvume nawe ushone khona salamusi likushayile futhi
Oh, it makes sense now. Like, angisho kikoba that thing trend ago back then. Ukuthi umuntu athi akushaya like insema shop or nguphi kuphi akushaya athi he athi ngibambisa ifoni yakho nani nemali and then bese kumnikeze zona without even asking a lot of questions. Umnikeze zona.
Salamus likuluthile la kuceda. Bafika abantu estradini badrope amaphepha maybe akhave nge10 ayidrope phansi umuntu ayihambela uchamukweni ngespeed ufika uthatha uyitshela ukuthi imali athi hayi nami ngibonile ngicela ungiphi ikhathi but ngiphekile yakho uyishiye leya uyabona wena uphethe imali stack semali lapha kanti amaphepha it's not manje ukhiphe le yakhe imali umnikede yonke ukhiphe ngisho ama-car keys namafoni ucede ahamba umuntu kuyothi la ucala khona ibuye ingqondo sengasekho uthi abheke imali ngishayeke imimoya spirits.
So how to prevent? How can I protect myself not getting looted? Fanele ngeze ngefariki
from isalamus. Hawa uyadlala. Angeke uprotecteke from isalamus. Uyophapha masekulate.
Nana mangali nyama efariki ngeze ngamafutha efariki nix
never. And lihle because liyakhona nokubabonisa ungahlangana ne stranger sifaka isuit sikutshela ngisho ukuthi kwentakale ini itola coce yesterday kwenteke lokhu nalokho ahlangana wacabana nabantu hey ube shocked le muntu uyithola kanjani indzaba yami athi ngitohlala la thatha le 100 rand uyothenga amakhandlela lapha silungise lesisimo ushiye everything yakho kuye lo muntu, you don't even know that person isalamus limshayile, you don't even know that person, ushiye everything yakho uhambe ne100 uyothenga amakhandlela uthi uyafika kekho lo muntu nato tonke tinfo takho isalamus likushayile lisebenza kanjalo ke lona.
Abantu basalisebenzisa basalifuna nje.
Yes, abantu balisebenzisa futhi basalifuna. Kunabantu abangafuni ukungena ejele but bayaganga because akekho vele umuntu ofuna ukungena ejele but balisebenzisa isalamusi endaba boshwe bayasurvive. Kukhona even amaphoyisa afuna amasalamusi athi mina ngifuna ukubamba leti gebengu letinkulu ama high profile.
Yeah.
Uyayivinza afika athi ofaka lona afake nemajaji umuntu awagcabe athola i-direction mangaphane efuna i-case aye straight la kumele ngabe le mfimlo le yakho. So it's a very very good thing kuba nama spirits because ayaphila leyo mfana mina ngifuna ukucambela manga.
Should labo detective aba useless lapha police station bangathoma basebenzisa ama-judge ukuze bakwazi ukusolve ama case serious because I feel like at some point they can't solve serious cases, you know.
Yeah, because yabona now sesiphile emhlabeni webhayo umuntu edefend into yakhe. Ngiyaganga orankangi but whatever looking into ngiyayidefend and I do by all means ukuthi info yami ngiyayidefenda ngendlela enhle or ngendlela embi but info ngiyayidefenda. Mina engakusho ukuthi umuntu nomuntu kumele ensure industry yakhe kuyona ukuthi uyidefenda ngendlela le right. Ayikho imana level ezulwini besithi ngidokuthatha ngikubeke next level emhlabeni kuyasetshenzwa and umuntu nomuntu kumele atimisele. That's why ama spirits ekhona ukuthi alanze tindzaba leti bantu abangikhona ukuthi bazana.
Yeah, so iyenzani lento le iyahlebela endlebeni ukuthi ubani uye wazogqekeza la by this time and what not, or you just sense it ukuthi there's something here.
Okay, sesikhuluma ngesipoko masikhuluma ngemfe khuluma endlebeni.
Okay, spoko les it's a high level.
Sikhuluma ngesipoko now it's a high level but a good level futhi.
Okay,
because uma ngikhuluma ngesipoko ngikhuluma ngomoya womuntu. Phela sibeni honest, uma sikhuluma ngesipoko sikhuluma ngomoya womuntu ovuswako loyo moya bese uphila kuwe. Lo moya ulalela wena ukutshela lento osuke ufuna ukuyiva ngaleso sikhathi. Yebo. Isipoko sokuhlola sikutshela tindzaba, sikutshele lento ofuna ukuyadi ngaleso sikhathi. Isipoko sokulwa siyakhiwa siyokudefenda ukuthi ube protected kuleti tinfo leti osuke ubhekene naso ngaleso sikhathi. Isipoko sokudosa like uthi mina ngine business but business lami lislow uyakhona ukuhamba ulanda isipoko sakhiwe ngendlela leyakhiwa ngakhona. Siyathi ukuthi eSouth Africa umnotho ulele ngakuphi. Uyahamba uyothola leso sipoko lesinjalo lesi siphethe umnotho kube yise sivuka usikulandela umnotho usufaka ekhaya.
Malini leso
isipoko sokudonsa? Isipoko sokudonsa 20,000 mina ngithi. Because angeke ngikuthengele imbuti ngemali yami ngiphindze ngisebenzise limit yami ukuthi wena uphile bese ngikucharge info mina etongakhela ama expenses because isipoko sifuswa ngembuti. Mawuyovusa isipoko it must be a goat. Without a goat angeke ukhona ukuyovusa isipoko.
Angeke sibe singihame.
No. Nethi lo muntu mangaphana umvusa lapha ulalela wena umnika ama terms and conditions la khaya siphila kanje naya eyakhindlu uthi uhlala lapha ngaphandle umsebenzi wakho ukuthi ulethe imali lapha ekhaya ngonyaka or mhlambe after every 3 months ngikuhlabela imbuti after like 3 months uhlaba imbuti after 3 months uhlaba imbuti ufaka inyongo lapha. I understand ukuthi kunemizi ekuhleli kuhlatshwa mhlambe kabili or kathathu ngonyaka but abantu babhizi badla inyama they don't even know ukuthi kuhlatshelwana.
So le nyama izokwenzana ngeke idala umthelelo unjanjani kilabantu abayidlayo.
Kunabantu abahlabayo ngiyakuhlebela athi inyama yala ekhaya iphuma.
Yeah, I've heard that.
Siba inyama yala ekhaya iphuma. Wonke into idlelwa la khaya ngaphakathi even utshwala bala khaya abuphuma. Simply because iowner yomcebo wasekhaya ayifuni kube khona into lephumela ngaphandle. Kunomuntu ongeka kunika imali etandleni. Athi I can't give you my money in hand. I'll rather do lento le oyifunako or ngikwentele i-bank transfer but angiyakunikete imali yakhe esandleni because isipoko sitofila ezifuni uthatha amandla waso unikela ngawo kwabanye abantu. Maningi ama secret abantu abaphila nawo la emhlabeni but bathulile. Yabona? Maningi. But when it comes to ukuhlola info lekubonisa ama visions. Ijudge lezulu, ijudge lamandla, ijudge lentaba. Ingosi yama judge nayo iyabhula too much. Yona ke if uyipherile wayiphera naso isipoko uyeva la emandlebeni and it very very powerful. Aphela umoya ngesipoko kuyafiwa. Kuyafiwa ipresence yakhona uyafila uthi uhleli netinyanga ubona ukuthi yabona laba ngabahamba ngapha ngiyophuma ngalenyalo awubeva because there are people ongeke ba prophet mangapha naleti info leti engikhuluma ngadola. Yabona izizwe mina ngithi abashana uGreat umuntu onezizwe ngengame phambi kwakho naleti info leti. onezizwe never phela izizwe ziya expire kuthiwa hamba uyovuselela
Oh,
Yabona?
akusinto kanomphela.
kuthiwa hamba uyovuselela and nakhona futhi yini le engabaphethe ngithi abashana yini engaba permanent uyifake ngengadi yechude elikhishwa nje linyaweni bese iyajedwela bese iyaphila and yini engaba powerful lapha because into hambe bese iyaphelela that's why ngithi mina izizwe abashana ngokuhlukana kazo kathathu izizwe nje abashana eyo grade RR umuntu lonetive ngeke amelane nomuntu lonemajaji umuntu onemajaji ngiyamelana nomuntu onesipoko umuntu onesipoko angiyamelane nomuntu onekhamandela umuntu onekhamandela angeke amelane nomuntu onehilimani
Sure, high level Hiliman yini ke yona?
Ihilimani eminye imoya yama priest nayo ethola engathola in fact ayitholakala eSouth Africa
Kuphi Benin?
even in Swaziland angeke uyithole
Sibenini ne?
imoya yama priest leyo mimoya leyo kunamasiko wakhona ufike uwaperformisa ama rituals wakhona and then bese le mimoya iyashadiswa nawe kunabantu abafaka ama ring
Jama kancane asithome from a to man mawukhuluma ngama priest mina ngicabanga umfundisi ne akhuluma manga lapha stage so is it what I'm thinking right now or is something else
uma ngikhuluma ngama priest ngikhuluma ngalabantu abakhona ukuthi bakhuleke bachumane nemimoya kuno pastor kune priest ama priest ayakhona ukuthi achumane nemimoya uthola ukuthi umuntu kune power evested kuyena yabona like le power maybe into ayifakiwe naye wayiinstoliwa but because akana ID ubona sekwenteka automatically because mina ngidosho namuhla akekho umuntu owaphuma esiswini or aphuma nje kuNkulunkulu wathi makafika emhlabeni wathi loya uyofike aphume akhuluma indaba eyinkulu akhipha amagama netibongo amanga lawo suke sekuyi science esebentiwe yabuildwa yabe siyakhona ukuthi yakhile umuntu abe ngalendlela yiyo or if uyaphuma mhlawumbe ekhaya kunomuntu wayephatha leyo nto ube umntana ophuma nayo but into esuke ikhanve emhlabeni through iscience akekho umuntu waphuma nje thune tibonakaliso za Jesu ngoba naye uJesu ngabe sesiyabutha sithi iphi family yakhe nobody can point ifamily yakhe ifairy tale yabona sikhuluma ngescience la info le yakhiwa kivusiwe so lama priest lapha eBenin uma akuthatha kuyadepend ukuthi akusa kuphi ke kuna different places kudila nama different altars bese bayithatha lento bayayiinstalla kube ispirits uyakhona ukufeel ukuthi khona info lengena kimi kube khona bakuphathisa kona mhlawumbe info loyigcokayo or info loyibeka la osuke uyibeka khona leyo power will be vested in you till uyoshona emhlabeni angeke iphele angeke iphuphe iyongena kuwe from generation to generation from generation to generation same nalo iHiliman phela iHiliman elihlukene kuno Logiman kuno Vokros
sebenza kanjani zona
uVokros uvested in money uLogiman uvested ekuboneni kakhulu udini futhi abantu like for instance uthola abantu abama twins or uthola spirits sama twins because le nto iyama twins uVokros and Logiman kahle kahle iyama twins but omunye uphathiswe amanye amandla nomunye uphathiswe amanye amandla imithetho oyakhela bona it's almost the same if okunye awusakwenti kahle omunye uba jealous agcine sephuceka yabona thola ukuthi umuntu uyahlola abantu bayagqwala but imali info la into ngemali akayiboni thola ukuthi le enye culture useyikhohliwe futhi nayo so ihamba kanjalo and bayi-installa kanjalo le mimoya futhi nayo it's not for ukuhlola kuphela or ukulapha esigodlweni kuphela kunabantu umuntu athenga i-truck e1 uthi abheka within 6 months umuntu usena 4 trucks within 6 months umuntu athenga i-truck maybe January uthi uyabheka la around abo July lo muntu usena truck mhlawumbe 3-4 uthola ukuthi understand how lo muntu wayesephakama kangaka ngabe uphushwa yini fast kangaka simply because of lawa ama powers lawa wama spirits asuke ehambile wawalanza more especially Hiriman Hiriman mama ungahlala abantu bama10 ngikhuluma ngathi ama10 laba serious they can tell you about these things I'm talking about kunomuntu ogcina sethi imali angisayibhenki sengihlala naye endlini
why
uthola ukuthi usejabulisa ukuthi lawa magona awabeke phezu kwayo le yamali alokhu awathila nje ngeoil yakhona wona jabulela ukuthi ayebona imali afuna ukuthi alokhu alanda imali alokhu akho umsebenzi ekhaya kunabantu abangafaili kumathenda sho ngathi abe selithenjiswe wena lelachamuke nalithathwe lo tenda linikwe yena simply because of lawa ama spirits lawa ahamba besasebenza Same thing applies nala kule industry yethu yokulapha. Lama spirits assist ukuthi sikhone ukudila nama problems esibhekana nawo, sikhone ukuhlola, sikhone ukulwa nama enemies esibhekana nawo. At the same time siphinde futhi sikhone ukuthi siphakamise umsebenzi wethu.
Shuthi senza ngabo umngabi nemali ne?
Yes. Ukuba amagwala. Ukuba amagwala.
Okay, why uthi simagwala?
Yonke into ifuna isibindi.
Yeah.
Because into mina engiyisabayo mhlawumbe wena uyisaba. That's why ngiyathi mina kuthiwa thatha lento ayinabungoti. Ngithi mina yes vele ayinabungoti. Because mina into engingayibuka is if like it's ingoti kimi or ngiyisaba, omunye umuntu akayisabi yena. I-sacrifice yami mina ngiyisaba. Omunye umuntu yena leyo nto engithi mina ngiyisaba i-sacrifice yena nathi mina angina problem nayo leyo. Umuntu osathi mina ukhalela imali yokuthenga isinko uzenta yena ngoba ethanza. I-science nayi ibekwe phambi kwethu. Siyayibalekela iscience siyofunda iBhayibheli. Thandaza umuntu ajuluke, guga amadolo umuntu, guge netimpahla umuntu. Because ubusy upraise ama spirits angena idea ngawo, but lawa wase-Africa, African spirits, lawa ama spirits ekuyuwenta for tenteke uthi mawukhuluma nawo akuphendvule, uthi mawuwafida akusupport, siyawa ignore. But lawa esiwakhuleka ama spirits esingawaboni ukuthi angakuphi, esinga understand ne direction ukuthi akuphi, so prayers guga timpahla. Yabo, umuntu udilambisa into ihluphekisayo.
Okay, ke sibuyele kancane kule ama priest ne?
Okay.
Le ama priest like naba installako, but I correlated with the mermaid.
That's a good question. Yabona ipower yemermaid. Ipower independent etimele i1.
Yes.
And recently kuona wonke lama spirits engisakhulume ngawo ayikho ipower efika kwipower yemermaid. Ewonke lama spirits engisakhuluma ngawo ayikho esafika kwipower yemermaid. Because ongathi uyayi-understand ipower yemermaid ukuthi ihamba kuphi iphelele kuphi ngabona manga. Imermaid is very very powerful in such a way that wonke lama powers ebesikhuluma ngawo yona ingakhona ukwa contain but i1. Kunamagona ahamba kabe sawavuswa ngemermaid. Lawo magona lawo you will never suffer. You will never suffer.
Jesus.
You will never suffer. And naleyo ukuthi ama mermaids atholakala olwandle, that's not true.
Atholakala kuphi?
If ufuna ukuyothola ipower yemermaid, go to the lakes.
Oh.
Go to the lakes. Uhambe uye la kuhlangana khona imfula nemalandla amaqhwebe. That's where uthola khona kakhulu ipower yemermaid because la kuhlangana khona imkhathi A2, ipower ye-ocean nepower ye-river. So imermaid it's very very powerful more than wonke lama power lawo. And most yabantu ababoniswa ama mermaids or bengaphasi kwamanti behleli nabo Mrs Fish labo bantu labo banenhlahla tinvota bothi ihamba smooth simply because lento le banenhlahla ukuthi ibambathe. Uthola ukuthi abanye ke bahamba bawulanza amagona lawo magona avuswa abese alinkwa nepower yawo imermaid. Labo bantu labo are very very fortunate in life. Because imermaid isona spirit engisasibona sisikhulu more than wonke lama spirit esisawabalela. Abantu baye like umuntu aphuphe edlala nemermaid ngaphasi kwamanti. Abona amagolide namasiliva uthola ukuthi makavuka athi bengiphupha imermaid like ngingaphasi kwamanti. Spirit sakhe bese ngaphasi kwamanti. Le tinto bebembonisa tona ngaphasi kwamanti. Yinvo le atoyithola after lapho umuntu ashaya ngenkulu inhlahla le abe ne massive luck in life simply because spirit sakhe was adopted by le memory le sahamba sayovakashiswa lapha ya bamupha lento abafuna ukumupha yona. And when it comes to ama powers of ama priest, nayo ipower yemermaid it's there. Depend ukuthi wena ustrong kangakanani or wena unovalo kangakanani or ufuna into ekanjani but ipower yakho nayo it's there. Bayakhona ukukuthatha nje. Bakuse kuma river lakes. Bahambe bayinxusa le moya leya ukuthi incamathele kuwe ihlale nawe ikusupport through thick and thins. It's possible.
Mara yaphuma imermaid or just nje spirit nje.
Umuntu ongathuka abona imermaid ngingamlanza ngimbeke la. Imermaid mina ngikholwa ukuthi there is a spirit of a mermaid. Ungayifila ipresence yespirit but angeke uthi uyobona imermaid. Because emaphupheni usuke nawe ukiki spiritual form, usuka moya. That's why ukhona ukuthi uphuphe uyibone ngisho ukuyibona phakathi emantini or olwandle la nisuke nihamba khona ngaleso sikhathi. It's because usuke win a spirit form. that's why ukhona ukuthi uyibone because ukuhamba ama spirits ngaleso sikhathi ispirit sayo nama spirits wakho uma ngaphana ihlangana khona bese niyabonana but with the naked eye still mina ngisaphika maybe ukhona uyibona in a spiritual form not with the naked eye like emhlabeni even now mangathi asihambe siye like kuthiwa khona kune mermaid ecaptureishiwe ehleli
hayi ayikho nezuwa ayikho hayi mara nginokubona yazi lapha emafonini ku TikTok like uyibone idlala like ingathi kuyifishinyana yona la eminyaweni
yeah because bathatha ama costume bawafake nale technology esekhona isithi ama maid but maid you can only see it in a spiritual form uma ngaphana abakini bekuthathile bawukufaka la bakufaka khona befuna uhlangane nenhlahla yakho or nobito lakho udohamba ngokwaka moya bese uyohlangana nomoya wakho but because uyekuhlangana emimoya that's when khona ukuthi kubonwane wena usukulele nje endlini but spirit sakho soke semantini that's why ukhona ukubona within ihlo laka moya but not iso lenyama
yeah ukhulume ngokushadiswa nishadiswa kanjani
nama spirits
yeah
like ngine agreement in spirit sami bese siyathathwa sifakwe kimi ngesifake as an external partner sengiyashada nale spirit lesi mhlawumbe ngishada naso ngimbudi ngithi wena so wala khaya uma so wala khaya umsebenzi wakho ukuthi ungiassist kuyona yonke into engisuke ngiyifisa ngaleso sikhathi kube khona abashadiswa ngama ring bafaka ama ring thola ukuthi le ring leya ilinkwe ne spirit or nenhlahla umuntu asuke ehambile wayoyilanza ngaleso sikhathi kwahlanjululwa idlodi lakhe thola ukuthi le ring if eyifakile it's not a ring that is functioning but it's a spirit that is vested in a ring that is functioning.
It doesn't really matter how the ring looks like as long as there is a ring.
Yeah, as long as there is a ring. Into ebalekile iritual eyentiwayo kwi ring. Ama spiritualist mancane afaka ama ring. Ama ring amaningi afaka ama ritualist. Because kunosika abaphila ngaphasi kwakho. Ungasilanza lesa spirit lesiya. Dayivinza. But lesa spirit uthola ukuthi mase sifika kuwe sifuna iritual.
Yeah.
Because kukhona abantu abama spiritualist.
Icheke yakho ukuthi yakho ngiyomshado
or no, don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. So
yeah, you're still explaining?
Yes. So lawa ma ring lawa it doesn't matter. Into ebalekile iritual esuke yentiwe kwi spirit ukuthi uma uyifaka kuwe ito performa maphi ama duties.
Yeah.
Yabona. Uthola ukuthi kunomuntu omumbe ebhathabo ngane bamthanda ukufa. Yabona. Thu nje mina umnyama but uyangifanela.
Yeah.
Simply because ufake lesa spirits lesiya uthola ukuthi mangaphana ekuchamuka women ubuyeka amuhle yabona uthola ukuthi maybe kuvusa ispirit sememedi lapha salinkwa with that ring negona lakhe mawuchamuka abantu eyumude nje uyislom like they like you bayakuthanza abantu emari ujabheka inkunzi le
hey
yabona ihoho straight but because of his spirits lesa suka hamba naso ngaleso sikhathi abuke kamuhle yonke into yakhe ihamba kahle nje smooth akusiwuye it's a spirit.
Yeah, ne mara yazi ngifuna ukubuza nasindo ne?
Yes.
Angithi uyayithatha lento like njengoba uzichazile zonke. Bese angenza ibusiness angenza next ngimahlalela nje ngiyavuka ngemakuleni ngiyofika ngibawa nama 20 rand lapha nama 5 rand. Izosebenza lento kimi?
No. Udlala ngamandla. Udlala ngamandla. Igona lumlekelile. Ama spirits abalekelile. They support whatever losukuyenta ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay.
They try ibona nabagangako, nabakhombako, abenta in whatsoever. Babamba inkunzi abadubulayo or abenta in. Lenfo isuke iba supporta kulowo msebenzi abawentayo ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah.
Not ukuthi udothatha amandla bese wabeka ekhaya. Then atokwentana ekhaya. Atokbenefitela kanjani umnotho ehledi nje ehlobisile when are doing nothing generate income at least is amaspazanyana or uvula business nyana a little small it will grow leyo business le but do something angeke uthathe nje imimoya uyihlalise garage for sweet nothing do something lokho kuncane okutryayo yikho kuyokulidela ekutheni into takho iphumelele that's why imali emphasize ukuthi mina thatha info yokuthi uke uvula idlodi lakho ukhanyise info takho ukuthi lokho kuncane nge okutholako then kube startup capitalustart something bese yolanda into yokuphila ungalandi into yokuphila uyihlalisa but there's nothing wayenta it generate income because bona balekelela ukuthi lokho khona kube greater than before they can't just give you imali but una ikinfolo yentako efaka imali ekhaya.
if ngiyasebenza
if uyasebenza uboba umuntu onenhlahla like into takho tihembe tenteke fast uthola ama promotion emsebentini uthola ama bonuses emsebentini then if ke usufuna ukuthi ukhule be bigger than that you generate business esayidini ube usebenza ngapha business lakho will do better nawe ngapha utobe wenta into takho futhi tenti ngendlela le right.
Oh, so you must be doing something. Yeah.
You must be doing something. Kude uthi into ofika kimi uthi ufuna into yokuphila but you are doing nothing uhleti phasi. Le moya utogcina soyithatha nigcina senama enemies no yi2 because ayisasebenzi nayo. It's not benefiting you now and now are we sitting next because yona ifuna ukufukuza. Mayitsheliwe lapha ukuthi uyahamba uyofukuza. Uyo generator umcebo uyofukuza. Uyoletha inhlahla lapha ekhaya uyoletha impumelelo lapha ekhaya uyolanza umcebo uyofukuza la uyakhona siyakutshela ukuthi uyofukuza hayi ukuthi uyo relax. Mase ufika wena into into against culture yayo nito ocabana vele.
Angafanelwa ngiphi mara mambukile
yene ubrave
ne
umuntu lo brave nesibindi that one
ne
yes umuntu obrave brave futhi ubusiness minded business minded umuntu ofuna ukukhula kwi industry akuyona by all means at all cost.
Yes,
so umuntu engamele umtholele ispirit mostly esilingana namajalumani or umfakele iSulumane.
Yes,
there's a spirit called
Sulumane. Sisizomeza what impact esingamenzela yena kuhle
simlethela imali simlethela abantu.
Yeah,
uma ufika ezitolo zamakula walibona ikula liphethwe amahloni ukuthi libita abantu ukuthi abangene esitolo
aliphathwa amahloni
ngena ngaphakathi bona ngena ngaphakathi abanamahloni bafuna nje lokhu ungenile that will help him spirit esikanjalo ukuthi athole spirit esikanjalo simgenerate leyo nto leyo asuke ifuna ngaleso sikhathi because he is brave and ambitious that can help him a lot and he's been wanting to do something like that. It's just that I direction le right bengangayithola
singakatholi direction right.
Yes,
uyavuma
am I lying?
Uyavuma. And I mean, as I don't have that braveness, Lana, like, hey,
yeah, so
yeah.
Disebenta kanjalo letinto.
Yeah, ne.
Disebenta nje kanjalo letinto.
Is it possible ukuthi ngithatha igoli ne as an example and then ngisebenzele and then mase ngila hayi manje sengikhathele alihambe. Is it possible?
Yabona ukuhamba uyolanda igona uma usu right ngamandla walo. I-advice yami mina ukuthi manje ulithathe nje uyolahla emfuleni or uyolahla enthabeni wherever la uyolahla khona udispose la ungeke ukuthi ngisangaphinde ngiyobona ama remainings no la into ohamba nje khona lilahleke bese liyaphela but ke after lapho understand ukuthi your wealth will never be the same again.
Uzokwenza kanjani
if lona belikuniketa 150,000 a month? Understand ukuthi i-level ukuthi ufake 150,000 a month mali ngasekho lona u99.5%.
Shuthi ngadlalela kuphuma 20k.
Yeah, ungadlala koma 20k because phela umnikado umsebenzi akasekho ngithi. Usunato timoto takho maybe tinye siyafa akusaphefumeki ngendlela bekwenteka ngayo ecaleni. Una ama shop but abantu abasathengi the way bebethenga before because umnikadi womsebenzi akasekho. Phela wena uprincipal igona li student uyalithuma hamba ubhala lapha hamba ukwenta lokho you just a principal wena ukhipha ama orders yabona yilo umnikati womsebenzi bese lona li benefits wena because wena ufana nokuthi ubabe lona lumntwana wakho.
Will I lose my life? Ngifuna ukunderstand leyo part ngingagcina sidla abantwana bami.
Akhona amagona vele angakwenta ukuthi lose your life. Ya depend ukuthi ufike wasign iphi contract. Sesingena kuma contract ke now. Because kunetinfo etama contracts. Info contract if uthi wena ukuhamba kwakho lapha ekhaya uhamba nami but uyakushiya ukushiyile ekhaya. Wena utoshona but ngemuva ekhaya if bekunetimoto kunemizi nakhe obukushila abantwana it will be there. But wena will be gone. But if uthi kwi contract yakho ukuhamba kwayo ayahambe nefike nakho kuyobhidlika isitolo kuphele imizi ibhede kuphele imfuyo because umnikati uthatha ifike nakho wahamba nakho because I contract enahamba nabese navumelana ukuthi sihamba la khaya bese sifike la.
Yeah,
yabona or uthi ngonyaka ngihlabela 2 cows failure to that utobona ukuthi like umcebo wala khaya usuyehla kusafana nasekucaleni and it's because usuyahluleka ukureacha ama terms and conditions we contract yakho.
Alright, asithi maybe nginemizi 3 ne?
Yes.
Omunye maybe useLimpopo, omunye useMpumalanga, omunye maybe use Cape Town, ne? Maybe this saying ngihlabe eMpumalanga, the next thing ngihlabe Cape Town, next thing ngihlabe. Is it possible to do it like that way?
Amandla wasekhaya noma abalekeleli basekhaya ubabeke kuphi? Because into ebalekile ukuthi la obeke khona abalekeleli basekhaya ila operforma khona ama rituals. Kunomuntu onesithembu nabafata abathathu. Uthola ukuthi umsamo oyimain uyi1.
Fanele kwenzelwa konke lapho.
There are 3 wives bese kuthiwa kunekhaya elikhulu. Yonke info isekhaya elikhulu. Thola ukuthi imfihlo yomcebo wasekhaya isekhaya elikhulu. Leminye imizi imile nje because of ipower yomlekeleli wasekhaya. But yena umlekeleli wasekhaya ukaNdlunkulu la ahleti khona. And nginephuthe esilenta kakhulu masilanza 1040 kuphila. Angeke uhambe ulanza igona mawulifaka emsamo uthi nanka amadoda amakhulu atophatha umsebenzi walapha ekhaya. That's a very very big mistake. Lethu abantu labaningi behamba beyolanza into yokuphila banele bayibike emsamo konakale kuvaleke kubhethe. Uyahamba uyolanza imimoya utoyifaka emsamo mawufika emsamo uthi seka abantu amadoda amakhulu amanikati bomsebenzi wasekhaya. Asiyenti kanjalo. Ba amadoda amakhulu kuwena. But emsam mawubabike emsam like ba relate nedloti into ehlangana nedloti mawubabike emsam naba abantwana balakhaya abatolekelela ngempilo lakhaya idloti libe yilo elikhulu ngaphekwa labantwana because idloti liyaduba ufika uthi na amadoda amakhulu atophatha umsebenzi lakhaya liduba idloti maliduba idloti kucala bese kuyabhethe ekhaya kanti it's simply because uintroduce imimoya ngendlela errong. Even if uyifaka engadini yakho naba abantwana abengibafaka lapha engadini yami abatongilekelela ngokubhula ngihlole ngento lokho esuke ngifuna ukwenta ngaleso sikhathi ngicela bese nyabambisana kanye nabo not ukuthi nanka amadoda amakhulu nyawafaka la kimi even usubabidi madoda amakhulu no,
that's wrong.
If usebenta kakhulu uphere idloti nemimoya kumele understand ukuthi idloti kumele libe greater than imimoya because idloti liyakhona ukuconquer imimoya lishaya.
Okay. Oh, I never thought it
kunedloti kunethongo. Ithongo yilabantu basekhaya maybe awubadi nawe ekade balala ngokuthula baphumula umsebenzi wabo okugada ikhaya ba ensure ukuthi ekhaya yonke into ihamba ngendlela eright. Bese kube nedloti a specific person lo osuke ekuwena ngaleso sikhathi or osuke guided info takho ngaleso sikhathi. That's why kuthiwa inkomo zami zedloti because into osuke uyiphiwe ulowo muntu o specific loyo. Yabona uthola ukuthi lo muntu ke uyakupha wena sekumele ubike yayivinza because ithongo awulihlabeli ithongo li there it's resting into ehlabelayo idloti because yilo suke ucela kulo because lona liyafukuza li up and down liyithutha ndithiwa ungakhona ufika ulithwebula uhambe nalo because liyithutha li up and down liyakhona ukulalela kosuku kushiwo ngaleso sikhathi ithonga will never listen if likuniketa inhlahla lona likuniketa because suke lithanza libona ukuthi wena udo benefitisa ikhaya udovusa umuzi angeke uwe ngaleso sikhathi.
Can you see ukuthi umuntu covering lipidlos?
Yes.
Covering lipidlos.
Ukavela idoti lasekhaya boma
Okay.
Alikoloti lona lelinye linekoloti enkulu.
Lelinye linekoloti enkulu. Yo, yazini wena unendaba eziningi.
Mina ngabe ngithi umntana wakamalume, yabo.
Umntana kamalume.
Mina ngithi njawe umntana kamalume.
Okay.
Yabona.
Hey, I'm just thinking ukuthi ngubani umntana kamalume. Yeah, anyway. All right. Okay, kanje ngikuphike no. Yona sengikhohlweni ukuthi umbuzo wami ulandelayo ngibe. Is it possible ukuthi I can live for until ngize ngicine ngihambile emhlabeni if I use any of these ithwalo? Can I live until isikhathi sami sifika?
Yes, you can live until isikhathi sakho sifika. Angithi umtimba uphila ngokudla.
Yeah.
Bese uyaphila. Nato letinfo leti the more wenta letinfo takhona kahle ngendlela efanele
imithetho.
Yes, uyaqhubeka nje uyaphila futhi njengebantu labangenathu uphile njengathi akunama terms and conditions ophila ngaphasi kwawo akunamthetho ophila ngaphasi kwawo because you are meeting igoal yayo leyanfo ngendlela lefanele because angeke phela lithi gona likulethela lokufunile kulo usu reach inyalo usukhohliwe ukuthi ube reach ngobani because igona libaleke ngapheke umnikati wegona. Yes, uyakhona ukulicontroller live lento osukuyisho la ulifake khona but igona libaleke ngapheke komnikati wegona because ukuduba kwegona ukuphetha kwetinto so angeke lithi selikwento waba rich ubese uyahluleka ukuthi ulifakele lokhu ekumele ulifakele kona ngaleso sikhathi because awusalifakeli nalo seliyakuduba ukukuduba kwakho bese uyacala uyahamba uthi mina ngithakathiwe ekhaya sebengivalile uyabona kanti you are the one ophethe setting for takho by not following imithetho ngalendlela ekumele ngabe uyifollowe ngakhona.
That's the reason why ngikubuza lo mbuzo ne. It's because of ngingengeza bathiwa into yokuphila you don't live isikhathi eside. There's a time frame ophila under yona.
Uma uthatha icontract?
Yes, uma uthatha icontract.
Yes, icontract vele.
Unaso nesitholo sabo mahosha? Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Yes. Sisebenza kanjani sona?
Mina engisiphethe mina. Isitholo sabo mahosha lapha la kami. The more umahosha elala nebantu. The more wena uba rich. Laba abantu alala nabo. Inhlahla yabo niyakhona ukuthi uyithwebule iinvest kuleni force ukufuna ukuyenta ngaleso sikhathi. That's why umuntu mangaphanya ulala nabo mahosha afika thina akasebenzisa condom ngeke ngisho ngithi lo sengisile inhlahla lakhe useka bedini because the more ubasebenta bewulana nalabo bantu labaya letinfo leto sokuthi ifake kuwena like kubona ibenefita bona kanye nawe wena mnika tomsibini because ayikho info ekhona ukushaya inhlahla yomuntu more than ukuhlanganisa imimoya more especially sexually because ifulala nomuntu akuhlangana inyama nje kuphela but kuhlangana nama spirit uthola ukuthi esami spirit sine bad esalo umuntu olala naye spirit ngathi sinenhlahla uyabona that's why abomahosha labaningi bekhona ukuthi bacedze inhlahla yaboma businessmen nalabantu laba abangabathanza abafati bafuna ukuyonchosha ngaphandle uthola ukuthi umuntu unemali but kulobo mnotho wakhe uyakhona ukubenefita nawe futhi kuona lo mnotho lo. I wouldn't prefer ukuthi go and sleep with abomahosha. What I would advise ukuthi iba nenfo ephilisa wena naye umahosha. Like for instance umthole la sebenta khona umtshele nyalo siyaceba. Nyalo siyakhuphuka nyalo siyaceba.
Yeah.
Uhamba uyosebenta naye nisebente nicethe then labantu abalala naye yena bayanbenefita nobabili. Even though ngeke nibenefit ngokufana because maybe nabantu batomupha maybe 100,000 ngento example like it wake ngiyakupha nje le for ukuthi benginawe it was great to be with you now ya benefita kwinhlahla yalo yamuntu la imoya yakhe yaphakama more because senaga ngingisi like ngama private parts kakhona tinfo letinifakako lapha then spirit salo yamuntu esgenerator iwealth nawe siyakusita ukuthi iwealth yakhe ikhona ukuthwetshubulwa ispirit sakho ukuthi generate le wena iwealth
nenzani vele lapha
kunomuntu ekuthiwa umphamiphuce.
Okay.
Siyayihlanganisa nje namakhubalo wakhona netilwane esitifakako bese sifaka lo amuthi muhle kakhulu ke wona umuphe amiphuce whatever that you've been given by your ancestors I can simply have a share ukuhlanganisa imoya yami netipoke tami nato tinto tami then bese ngifaka lo muthi bese ngiyofaka lapha kulamuntu lothengisa ngomtimba ukuthi bantu labafika bashaye kuyi nami ngiya receive something that time bemupha makubo mina ngiyaphuca ngapha spiritual that time bemupha makubo mina ngiyaphuca ngapha spiritual. Yes.
So is it possible to reverse it back? Like let's say I'm a victim of that, maybe ngihambile ngothenga and then bese kwenzakala lento uyichaza right now. Is it possible for you to reverse it back?
Yeah, it's possible.
It's possible.
And it's easy. It's easy.
Have you ever bumped into that? How many people have you experienced with it? Wena bakuthathele
inhlahla yakho walala nomuntu osona so. Yeah, bakhona into baningi. Bakhona indibaningi but ukuyilungisa kona kulula udzinga nje imithi emithathu kuphela bese uyihlanganisa nezizwe zaseMpumalanga mangikhuluma nje zaseMpumalanga I'm not talking about a province ngikhuluma ngokuphuma kwelanga when the sun rises khuluma ngalezo zizwe lezo eyisebenta abangaphana ekuchamuka ilanga because izizwe mostly ihamba ngemisele yelanga tears of the sun thola lezo zizwe lezo nalemithi emithathu usibuyisa ihlahla yakho bese kuba right. That's why bantu kumele babe very very careful.
Ne.
Very very careful. Just like umuntu ongamana afike kuwe awumati ubhizi nje ukuphetha ngemali thola ukuthi simtshela into yakhe ukuthi yabona lo yawe nonhlahla lo ya nelakhi lo ya yabona wanza amshakabile kathathu uthi mfuta ukuthi yakhanya ba. Yes. Thola umuntu into yakhe yamhlebela imtshela ukuthi azohamba eclubini mafike eclubini thola umuntu ogcoka impahla sona athi uyabuka umntana ujabuliswa ukuthi uthengele utshwala akujayiva naye uyabona
Yeah.
ifike ikhale akuphi imali ungayicelanga nokuyicela ukuthi nje thatha mfana inkosi yabona kanti uyathi ukuthi yena into yakhe besemtshela ukuthi namuhla ifuna ama fluids wakho mangaphana shaya wena ispirit sakhe siyajabula because abananzaba bakutshela hayi sidothe ngama morning after kanti ikhali inhlahla kukona usuyahamba uya kulabantu labahlulako kuthi hayi inhlahla yakho yathwetshula so awusabhiliveli kanti nguwanikela ngesithelo esibalekile sakhala kuma spirits.
Yeah, fanele abantu babe careful. Hey.
Yes.
Yes.
But bangqona abama spirits kunalabo abama rituals.
Yeah. Rituals.
I
Okay.
understand ukuthi ngingaba nomuntu wesifatana uthola ukuthi leyo muntu umnikele we ritual.
Okay.
Uthola ukuthi umuntu unesithembu kulesi sithembu sakhe omunye umfati ngathi ikhanza akasathathi kahle.
Yeah.
Kanti umnikelo we ritual uthola ukuthi umuntu unabantwana ekhaya but kulabantwana bakhe abayi2 abasekho right uthola ukuthi bayimnikelo yama rituals ngaphandle kalomntana lapha ekhaya umnotho uyawa that's why lo mntana maybe akhubazeka or wahanjelwa ingcondo it's simply because umnikelo we ritual uyophethe umcebo walapha ekhaya so babakhe uyamthanda but umntana wakhe akekho right abanye abantu abamfundi abamthatha serious yabona so thina uyamthanda because he knows ukuthi ngaphandle kwalo yamntwana loya lento umuntu asuka yiyo ngaleso sikhathi it's gone because uye i part of a ritual because phela uma sikhuluma nge-ritual sikhuluma ngosiko okumele uligcine lelo siko okuligcina kwakho uliperforma the more uba nemali nawe or the more into takho ihamba kahle.
What does that mean? Does it mean ukuthi lo mntwana was born like that or kuthome kwamoshakala nje through the journey?
Aphume nje umntwana engena next ukuthi makumele mibahambe or athathe ama next steps in life ukuthi nyaphela ngathi umntwana uyachinja idami ngathi mhlawumbe umntwana okhubazekile or maybe ngathi akathathi kahle ekhanda uthola ukuthi le tinfota la khaya seyikhethile ukuthi nangi yaluya thola ukuthi nobabe wavuma athi hayi mina mhlawumbe second born yami or first born yami ngiyo leya or athi mhlawumbe mina ngitobana 3 wives lo yangosikade mangilala naye abakhe abantwana ngifuna kube yibo amaphethe wonke umsebenzi wala khaya yibe kumele babe mnikelo yalama rituals wala khaya most yabo abantu abaperforma ama rituals abananko sikazi lo yiwani mhlawumbe shanga 2 wives 3 wives ababi nomuzi lo yiwani mhlawumbe shanga imizi lemibili lemithathu or 4 because khona laba performela khona tinfotabo khona nalabaphila khona smoothly. Yes.
Lesingasabathembiye ke labo bona
Vele empilweni ungakuthemba kalula lesikhathi siphila kuso because now ukuthatha ama decision la harsh akusasabi. But futhi at the same time go right at least is follower in nature yethu asa follower amasike engasiwo wethu. So ama ritualist a heartless most yao. Ama ritualist heartless abaqabanga into eningi mayithi ufuna imali ukuthi kwentakala ini kuphi kanjani akanandzaba yena uphila ngosiko nje lela lalawo ma rituals ukuthi mina mangihlaba lapha ngiba nemali makuchitheka ingadi ngiba nemali makushona umuntu ekhaya ngiba nemali makuba nengodi mhlambe edvutani nasekhaya kuchitheka ingadi mina ngiba nemali because i ritual yakhe leyo abanenzaba. Yabona that's why ngithi laba ama spiritualist engathi bangqonywana kunama ritualist. Yes, because laba spiritualist badila nama spirits nje bona kuphela they connect with the spirits, they do into ama spirits not ama rituals.
Usakhuluma ngama spirit manje ne asike ngithathe back ngibusele on the previous episode masikhuluma ngama commandela.
Yes,
if I remember correctly you said ama commandela is like a spirit maybe emkhathini yes wafaka like sort of like
a scoop
right. Then I just want to ask ukuthi do you hold those spirits forever?
If you wanna hold them forever you can hold them forever, but no one thing uma usushona ingalungiswanga leyo nto wareportela umreportelayo nawe you will be part of them emkhathini. Yeah, besikusebentela now it's time for you ukuthi uvuke kanye nathi siyosebenta sonke because phela lo muntu loyo usuke ngekamukeleke edlotini ifa kagezwanga usuke ngiyamukeleke edlotini ifa kahlambulukanga so yena masevuka uya kuphi yemkhathini kulaba naye ayibathathile abafaka egoneni naye is going to become one of them makafika omunye balanza naye afakwe phakathi esigujini naye.
Hey man hey so angithi bane ngizwe bathi mina mawuthatha ispirit somuntu ne and most tata, let's say maybe umuntu ushone prematurely, you know, beyasesene 20 years fanele iphile, but ushone prematurely, and then uyamthatha umfake ebhodleleni, and then for that 20 years le uzabe usamphethe, and then after 20 years naso kusikhathi sakhe sokuthi vele ahambe ayedluzini la yakhona, yabona. So ukusho ukuthi ke ngeke usakwazi ukumholder, fanele umdedele. Uliqiniso lokho?
That's not true. Urelease wabani ngamreleasanga mina wayemthathile wamthenga wamfaka isigubhini wamphatha. Because phela umntana nami ngiyamfita, ngiyamcontroller, ngiyamhlabela. Ulalela info leshiwo yimi ngaleso sikhathi leso mina ngisho ngakhona. Uphuma uyofunana edlotini mina ngingakudedelanga. Because phela mina ngikubophile la, you am I, you are my child now, you are working for me till mina ngite ngithi enough is enough. You can't just go edlotini lakho. Even noma ngathiwa sengiyakurelease angeke kuye kulaba kini futhi izes ABC. Because bathi ohamba bawuhlola kuthiwe kunomoya ozulazulayo umuntu walakhaya ongaphandle, yabona, maybe wayehambile wayogangiwa kanjani waphendula isigubhu, kumele athathwe lo muntu ayogezwa kucala ayivindaba afakwe ngaphakathi ekhaya, afake seba idloti elihle. If uyamthatha uyamrelease uyakwaba kuba, so niyanilithatha kanjani idloti eliyumuntu obekade sisebentela komunye umuzi owakhanva ngemithi spirit sakhe? Because phela edlotini akekho umuntu ongathi mina ngihamba nedloti, mina ngitothi ngikhombisa idloti ngilibone. Umuntu uhamba nespirit noma nomoya wedloti okuwuyo omguide ngaleso sikhathi. So if lo moya ke uyawurelease uyakwaba kubo, but ususebentile wawungcolisa bese ufika ubanjani ke ekhaya.
I wonder.
Toti yolamula ophethe igona ukuthi awurelease lo moya leyo, then abasekhaya ke mangaphane sekuthiwa kungeniswa abantu labadala if kuthi usumreleasile bese nyammemeta umuntu ngaphandle or if ayishone ngingodi nyela wayishonele khona lakhi siyakubida ubuyele ekhaya, yayivinzaba nimhlambulule ecala nimgeze yonke leyamkhuba la bese nyamthatha nimfaka ekhaya. Because ningakwenta ngalokho ngeka ekhaya ulibona kanjani ikhaya bese nikhaya elisha lapha ngimfida lapha ngimphethe emnanzi ngimhlabela imvu edla kamnanzi ajabula lapha khala netigubhu khala amasonto ejabula lapha engalibonele lo ekhaya because useva mina sengingima ubabi nyalo mangimthethele uphinzele emkhathini ngaboni ngisho ikhaya makukhona umunye ovusako futhi uyamthatha umfaka phakathi.
So if naso ushonile ke then naso usho lokho kuchaza ukuthi umdedela ngembuzi bageza and what not, then your mimoya lebe lapha esigubhini kwenzakalani ngayo?
If ngifuna igona lami lichubeke with someone else ngeke ngingakutshela imfihlo yami, ngitokutshela imfihlo yami ukuthi mina ngihambe kuphi ngenta ini kanjani. Kube ichoice yakho ukuthi ufuna ukuchubeka naloko kukhona or yolanzo kunyini, but la engiphuma khona. But if ukuthi mina I've had enough, like angifuni ngethi info yami ngitosho ngithi mina mangihamba le nithathe niyilahle endaweni yokuthi, because angeke ihlale ingasenayo ownership. That's why uve kuthiwa ekhaya kunetilwane tiyagijima tiyadla tishaye abantu, so ukuthi bekuyinto ebesibenefitisa kahle ekhaya, but now seyibuya seyaslimalisa because ayisacontroleki iowner ayisekho. Umuntu fathi mangaphanye ayongcwatshwa nithi nyabheka kunama floods afuna ukukhipha ibhokisi liphumele ngaphandle. So thi inkunzi malanga siyadi thina ukuthi dinfota ingathi tiya reporta nyalo ukuthi tiyambona sekuyahlukana umkhathi yena ungena phasi komhlabathi nyalo inyama yakhe lebona abafakwe kuyona ukuthi connect nomoya wakhe, because phela lethi mfethu dingena enyameni nithi mathi ingena enyameni bese khona connect nani ne spirit sakho, because awuyifaki kwi spirit uyifaka kuphi enyameni bese connecta kuphi ne spirit sakho. The only things oyithola spiritual itinfo leti otiphupha utiboniswe utithola uhamba like past kwamantu uthola something lonfo uyayithola spiritual, but lo uyithola from a man hand, so ingene ngathini bese connecta ne spirit sakho. Then i spirit mase sihlukana nenyama yakhe, inyama yakho seyingena past komhlabathi sekumele sisuke ku uthi uyabona maybe ibhokisi lomuntu liyavula kale yaphahlazeka lichaphazi lapha umuntu afutheke ebhokisini akho kumala bemkhulu besidudla, kanti leti pole tiyalwa tekumele kuhlukane tona nomtimba loya. Like kunabantu bathe bamangcwatshwa kwaphephuka amatendi kwagudluteka amangcwaba amabhokisi aphumela ngaphandle. So uthi itfo leti sekuyahlukana nyalo akareportanga ekhaya wayikhuluma imfihlo yakhe. Mangapha nesahamba yena nemimoya la sekuvuka iwrestling akusahlangani kahle ngendlela le right. Thola ukuthi wathatha into wakuhluleka ukuthi ureport ama terms and conditions wayo kubantu lophila nako, because ikusasa latiyo ngaphuma nje la studio namuhla ngifike ngishayeke nemoto lapha emgacini, you will never know.
Amarabona you know.
Yeah, when it comes to kusebenzisa ama spirits nokuthi yabona nyalo ngifuna ukubona, yes I will know.
But do you know how you're going to live until when?
Yes I know.
You're going to live until when?
I know mina ukuthi ngihamba nini.
Can you see
and ukhona umuntu ongakutshela mangathi mina khuluma na akutshela leyo muntu utohamba nini.
Ngifuna ukukubuza ne mara angifuni ukwazi. Can you see ukuthi I'm going to live until when?
Mangathi wasiyahlala sayela elindzaba ukuthi utohamba till when ngakutshela.
Hi.
Because info le confuse abantu if uyakhona ukuhlola umuntu esigodleni
Yeah.
angisakhulumi nanomuntu ke onama spirits sengikhuluma nje ngomuntu osebenza nje ke like ngedloti nje generally hayi lamanye ama foreign spirits athi umuntu kumele uhambe maybe uyogeza ingoti yasekhaya yalomuntu owawa nemoto if awuyigezi ngibona singeke siphele isikhathi leside lo muntu engakulandzanga
Yeah.
because idloti likhona ukubona kini ifuture because ama spirits wona asephile kakhulu kunathi and wona madala kunathi they are living longer than us they can predict ukuthi thina sidohamba bese sifika kuphi nempilo so uma mina ngisebenzisa ispirit sami ngisiconnectisa nedloti lakho ngifuna ukubona kahle kahle ukuthi abadala bakuphathele ini or impilo yakho dlozikhali ihamba besiphela kuphi that's when ngikhona uku-identify impilo yomuntu ukuthi lo ohamba phile so naso ngithatha ispirit sami ngisengije espiritsini sasedlotini lasekhakini bese kube yimo bona ukuthi la lendloti limphathile lokhu lamphathela lokhu lamphathela nale yanhlahla leya if utokuhluphekeza ngithi utohlupheka kutokwenteka 1 2 3 4 5 simply because sengikhona ukuconnectisa ispirit sami mina nedloti lakho ngithi idloti lispirit phela idloti lifa enyameni bese kusale umoya sengiconnecte nomoya lo ya mina ngabona ukuthi lo moya lo ukufisela ini and kuhamba kanjani ithongo lona bese lihlele ini spiritually.
Would you like to know? Traumatizing, uyabona?
Nah, but it was just an introduction. So isebenta kanjalo le moya and imihle because ayisebenta ekulapheni kuphela. In life in general.
Yeah.
Yasebenta.
Yase bengibone enye video ne the other day ngisakhumbula bekunini. So they are saying that kunesithwalo sokuthi umuntu alale nedumbe emoshari. Then bese ke that's where izinto zihamba grand ziyapoppa in so basho bathatha amanzi bayawoma ne bawafuthumeza abile then bese ke bathela on the area lava zokwenzela khona umsebenzi then bese ke kube kuthambe nyana just phuma efridge ziyabanda yes then bese wenza umsebenzi basho nabangawenzi umsebenzi lezi zinto lezi ziyakwada zenza zonke lemikhuba. Do you have any knowledge about that?
Yokulala nedumbu. I have no knowledge about yokulala nedumbu. I don't wanna lie. The only thing I know about isidumbu or amantu wesidumbu when it comes to ukulwa ne self defense kuphela or uma attend ama court cases like you are guilty iqala ulentile like ulentile and there's evidence ulentile but still uphume kuleyo case uwine. That's when I know ukuthi imoya yabantu abangasekho emhlabeni or sebafa ikhona ukusebenta lapho when it comes to winning ama cases. Mina that's ilanga ukuthi when it comes to winning cases or winning battles that's only when I know ukuthi ama spirits abantu labangasekho iyasebenta lapho beneficiary but leyo ukuthi singathola ngidumbu maybe bayayenta ulwati alfa. Yes.
I win a case guilty.
Yes, we can win a case guilty. Guilty.
Naku bambambe nomthwalo.
Yeah, but ungayewin a case uphuma. Ngakufaka salamusi mina uhambe ecourt uphuma. Kuthi where there is no case.
Eish, ngendlela ngisaba ngakhona ijele.
Kufaka salamusi kuthi where there is no case.
Yani
uphuma.
Yeah.
Yabona. Bakuniketa ibail uphuma untila ngaphandle. Ngikuthathe ngufake lapha emthini yami uphinzele khona ngaphakathi bakukhishwe isisu bashane ngamakhanzi ihlaphatheka inkantolo kuthiwe kusayiwa konathi iti baphinze abantu bababuya bathi abakuboni bekumina bakukhulume ephumela ngaphandle sikhuluma ngomuthi lapho.
Yeah.
Yabona that's when I noted involved njalo dingena lapho.
Would you agree with me when mangithi system justice system corrupted and corruptiswe yini? Would you agree with me?
I-justice system iyashawa i-natural science asibeki kanjalo.
Okay.
Justice system iyashawa i-natural science.
Yeah.
Because umuntu phela lo sukeme lapha ya. If yena uweak or tinfota kubo tithambile angeke amelane nekhuba lo lami ngimsha 10-0 ikhuba lo tomshayezela phansi obuthongo nje athi all charges dropped.
And akasakwazi ukubisela.
Yes, indakasakhumbula ukuthi kwintakale kanjani. Gone umuntu usekaphumile umuthi ke loyo masesikhuluma ngomuthi namakhubalo sesikhuluma ngamasalamu sesithi ngifuna ukuwina timpi leti ekuthiwa ngeke ngitiwine.
Yeah. So umfikele ke lapha.
Yeah, ngifuna kuhluleke laba bathi mina ngeke ngiphumelele kule nto engithi ngiyayena. So bashayisa ngetinvukutabo lapho bathi behlelela wena umngcwabo bekungcwatshwa kubona. Sesikhuluma ngawo amasalamu lapho.
Have you ever had a client, a politician?
Yes, I've had a client
Normally vane bafuna yini ama politician.
bafuna ukuthandwa, bafuna ukuthi baqine bangathatheki kalula. Iyona futhi abayithanza kakhulu labo bantu lobo. Bafuna nje ukuhlonishwa nokuthandwa. Iyona into abayifunayo leyo.
So unikeza ijudge lana.
Uma ngaphana ufuna ukuthandwa,
Yeah.
ngibanikeza ijudge lamandla. Because ijudge lamandla lilinke kakhulu nemoya yasemantini of which nemoya yenkosatana ikhona lapho because mawuthwebula lapha uphakamisa le yami imoya leya nawo uyavuka phakathi because the spirit that is vested in what ubanikeda leyo nto leyo umuntu ambe muhle nje athandwe anovotela umuntu ebenimbona ukuthi hey lo khona ngisho isibabule against but nivotele yena emube njalo not even imsebenzi. Nigqwesa nithuthi hayibo lo muntu simbeke in power. How did we even put this person in power? Nithuke senicedile.
Should vele abantu abaningi sibabonako vele bara ubuningi babo baphethe something la isikhwameni lesandleni ne.
Impilo iyalekelela.
Impilo iyalekelela.
And if impilo uyilekeleli impilo itodlala ngawo.
Mawunganasi sibindi.
Utodlala abanye abantu bagibele ikhanza lakho. Impilo ifuna umuntu lo nesibindi uthi mina leya ngiyithatha. And into ukuphila ngayo.
Yazi ngibengiplan something ne.
Yes.
Mara singiyasabi ukuyenza this thing. I feel like things could go wrong. I feel like things could go wrong and I don't want things to go wrong ne.
Okay.
So bengifune ukuthi si check ukuthi kwenzakalani yabona? Yes. When you check with your third eye, what do you think is South Africa's abigroup in the next 3 years?
In the next 3 years in South Africa.
Yeah.
Okay. In the next 3 years in South Africa, kutoqala kube ne battle between 3 political parties. I will never mention them, but there will be a very very big battle because leyo battle leyo it will be regarding ama resources that will be wasteful or atothathwa asiwe kwenye i-country ngokungekho emthethweni to benefit a certain person. That will happen in the next 3 years. And in the next 3 years, 4 politicians will die, popular politicians, including me, Babanya Bage Baba in power. They will pass away.
4 of them.
Yeah, 4 of them. We will calculate soon. Unkumbuza makhambo yi1 ubali to 1. Unkumbuze then after 3 years kuthi sebe 4 sebephelele bonkana. Khona uyogula.
Yes.
Khona uyodutshulwa abayi2. Khona omunye nje uyovele avenishe. We will never understand i-date yakhe ukuthi into kanjani. Then kuthiwe that person bekaye somewhere then wadlula emhlabeni. Because kunama cases that will be revealed ASAP.
And especially kulawa ama case aloka enza umzukuzuku right now. Hey, yeah.
Angifuni kuthiwe uyangifana usebenzise tipoko wathi.
Yeah, ne. Mara khulu uzokwenzeka kile case esicaleni na right now.
There's a lot.
There's a lot, ne.
There's a lot.
There's a lot to come out.
A lot will come out.
Yeah.
A lot is about to come out.
Lokho sikubona kokuncane.
Nah, it's just a minor. What akungcono ukuthi bekunendlela yokuprove.
Yeah.
Sithi usibani bantu baso the problem ke now we can't do it in public.
Isizoyenza off don't worry. Lolwazi zokwaziwa yimi naye.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
You don't mind, ne?
I can tell mina ungangilethela even abantu ngingabade maybe ngilethele 5 I can tell them ukuthi previously kwenteke lokhu nalokhu ngomuphi unyaka then now kutokwenteka lokhu nalokhu unfortunately ke mina eyami into ayindluli ku 3 years because even if ingavela nyalo mina into kimi because owami umoya mudala kimi kakhulu so khona ukubona maybe into itokwenteka 3 years before mina ngiyibone ngikutshela ngithi maybe ngo September khona umuntu otoshona usona ashone vele futhi naloyo muntu and leyo issue ngibhekana nayo kakhulu esigodlweni ama clients wami ngangifakazela a lot of people has lost ama loved ones ngibatshela ngithi umoya uthi kutohamba umuntu ngesikhathi esokuthi ahanjiswe into 1 na 2 na 3 bakhohle ukuthi mina ngikhuluma ngespirit esidala esikade sisebente emkhathini sizulazula sesiya understand ukuthi lethi info lethi ihamba kanjani yise sisuke esikhuluma it's not me it's not akusiyinyama yami ekhulumako ilesa spirit lesa sisuke ngihamba naso
ngifuna umcheckele i-career yakhe ukuthi ijame kanjani in the next 2 years
ngicheck i-career yakhe ukuthi ima kanjani in the next 2 years.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Let's do this.
Okay. Into etohamba bese ifune ukujeopardize i-career yakhe or ukuthi lokho kumele ngabe uyakuthola via his career kufike kuye in time. It's simple because ngonyaka ka2022 around May kunomntana wakhe owalahlekelwa umphefumulo and wakhishwa esiswini. Sabo.
Okay.
So udohamba yena himself abengathi ukwiplace eyihlathi but ulwa netinja eti4 bese at the back kube ngathi kuvela istorm esihamba namanzi abe confused ukuthi kwintakala in or maybe khona into ebekayithintile or khona bekakusebenzisile or else no, they are indicating ukuthi at the back kunenfo eyintakalile eyachitha iblood of your own ehamba lento bese ifuna ukustakisa some of your things currently.
Hey, bengifuna ukukubuza neyami mara sengiyathuka ke kwanje. Ngikubuze. Inhliziyo ethi
Yeah, but his future is bright. Thinking yakhe ucharismatic yabo mangaxoxa labantu like
actually.
ayi uyaconvinceana that one.
Yeah. Ish. Yeah.
Convinceana that one unolimi all fast. Yabona that's why bekavela yabo. Ukuthi angeke ngikhulume kakhulu because ngiyothi ngiyakhuluma kanti maybe some of people knows you yabona.
Yeah.
Kanti indaba takho kumele ngikeep private.
Okay.
Unless if ngathiwa like asibonani siyakhuluma nje nebantu ababona lokho ngakulandzela ngisho ama references nane text message eyangena kathiwa I'm not feeling well bengithi maybe ngipregnant or in but angiboni kwenzakala kanjani what happened ukuthi ngimane ngaba ne heavy flu nje kangathi ngene esikhathini uyabona.
Ish, already sekaba nje depression yeah asimxolele ngiyathoma ukubona uface bakhe ubuso bakhe buka nje normally it's umuntu ohlekayo wenzani but today akekho right. Okay.
Yeah, so that's how these things work.
Yeah, so mine, you know, how does it look?
Your life.
Yeah. My career, not my life, like my career. I'm concerned about my career.
Oh, you're concerned about your career.
Yeah.
The problem ukuthi awukho concerned more about your career. You are more concerned about helping other people more than you are concerned about helping yourself.
Okay.
Eyakhi career whenever kumele uthathe a step to uplift your career ubuyela emuva just like last year 2025 ngo July 2025 July.
Okay.
Last year kuthiwa kimi kune step ekumele ngabe usithathile to uplift yourself technologically but ugcine usungasafuni because you were afraid and scared of the risk.
Okay.
Kanti that's what's jeopardizing your career recently. Ugcina usaba ukuthatha ama risk lawa ukuthatha akubeki la ofuna ukuthi ufike khona. You are scared of the risk. Ugcina umuntu o enjoya ukuthi ngathi lokho engikuphethe ngahlala phe kwakho nokuthi ngikukhiphe to benefit me more.
Ngiyenzeni ngo2025 ngirisk yani I don't understand that part.
Ngo 2025 nje 2025 ngathi bani July
July.
Ngathi kumele ngabe kune risk ohambiwa bese wayithatha that was gonna benefit yourself technologically. Kunetinfo ekumele ngabe udibhatalelile or wathatha i-risk ukuthi utikhokhele to uplift yourself ngokwasemsebentini wakho or nabantu bekumele ngabe ubambisane nabo nikhokhela netimali in order to uplift a certain work that you proceed by the time but wagcina ungasafuni ukuthi uproceed naleyo nto leyo kathi kuya ku August wathi cha vele bekutoba i waste of money.
Yeah, ne. Maybe I'll recall during the day Madogo Hamba, but what was it? What was it? Okay.
Kule ngito posela ipolpol mangafika afika awise I whiskey lapha ngakho then ase kwisile whiskey you will remember. Then you will remember.
Yeah, but like does it look good though?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
The future is bright.
Yeah.
It's just that yama delays alapha nalapha.
And I'm the one who caused them.
Yeah, you are the one. That's why ngithina you are the main cause of ama delays.
Yeah.
We carry yakho. Angifuni ukungena kwi life yabo because leyo it's too personal. Let's not go there. Sifocus kwi career parts nakhona.
Uzohlebela nini vele leyo ku life? Singayikhuluma vele la. Hey, nabathakatha bengibhekile right.
Yeah, masisakhuluma nje ngecareer.
Yeah.
Career uyibambe wena. because bekumele awufuni ukukhipha ne
angifuna ukukhipha
akafuni nemali makuthiwa nje i-deal ifaka imali manathi I know let me try by all means ukuthi ngente ngendlela yami laba bathi bazongiconnecta nalapha no let me just leave things as they are yabona when it comes to your career not your life life angifuni nokuwe because mangathi life ungasuka ukukhumula ama headphone washila ukhali uhlala wedwa lapha
yabona yazi problem yami ne ngiba curious too much. Yeah, curious too
about
much.
Your career or your life.
No. Like the moment you say something, I need to do follow up. I get too much curious. Yeah, so right now, mawushoka nje ne. Ungenza kube curious kakhulu.
Like I said, ngathi yabona umnyango wakwama uvalwanga.
Okay.
Ori makuthiwa sesihleli lapha. Sesihleti nje ngasina muntu kuxoxwa. I can tell you from A to Z.
Asivale mkhulu.
Asivale mkhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Thanks for your time. Ivoice yami siyashika right now. Me and you are going to meet again on the next episode. Sharp.
Thank you.